Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning let me start with the first one. So at first let me show you the S Pen, of course. Let's open the pen right here. Let's remove it from your device, and now you can use the following options. You can create a note, you can view all notes, you can for example choose Smart Select. So here you can take a screenshot from some part of the screen, you can save it. You may also here use the screen write, and you can write something on your screen and save it also as a screenshot. You can also use the live message, for example, and you can create the live message. Just let's draw something on your screen, tap done. The device is creating from the following picture the live message. Let me show you. It's almost done. This is the live message. It has been also saved in the gallery, but you can share it if you would like to. So you can also here use the translate option or pin up. If you would like to, you can use the plus button to add shortcuts, and you can use the following shortcuts as well. Alright, let me just put the pen to my device right here. Let's go back and let's go for the second trick. So let's open the list of all apps, choose settings, and here let's use device maintenance. This is the most powerful tool from your device. You can here for example optimize your device just by clicking the optimize button. You can enable the battery saver, you can use the performance mode, you may also clean the storage if you would like to, you can clean the memory. You can just use the clean now button and the device is cleaning the memory. Alright, let's go back. You can also use device security and you can scan your phone if you would like to. Let me quit the device maintenance and let's go for the third trick. So let me show you the test menu. Really useful thing, the hardware test mode. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use this code. *#0 *#. As you can see, the following test mode pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options and you can test the red color of your screen, green, blue. You may test the receiver, vibration, the sensor, touch, for example also the speaker, the LED, the red LED, green or blue. Basically you can test all hardware features right here. If you would like to quit this menu, let's use the back key. So now let me show you the next trick. So let me show you the advanced features. So let's quit the test menu. Now let me just make it brighter. Let me open the list of all apps, choose settings, and here you've got advanced features. So here you've got a couple of really useful tricks. For example, you can use the smart stay, so you can just use the smart stay and keeps the screen on while when you are looking at the phone. It's basically right here. Just enable this feature. You may also here use, for example, one-handed mode. Let me enable this, and now if you just swipe up diagonally your device, you will have access to the one-handed mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just use the screen outside of the area right here. Let's go back, and here you can also use, for example, the multi-window, the finger sensor gestures and other stuff. So that's it, and let me show you now the last trick. So let me show you the save mode. So if you would like to enter the save mode, let's just use power key. Let's keep holding power off. Here you've got the information about your save mode, and let's tap on the save mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds until your device will be in the save mode. Alright, so as you can see, the save mode is right here. So now you can unlock your device and start using your phone without the third-party apps. You can check out how your device works without the installed application. And if you would like to quit the save mode, let's just press power key, tab restart and tab restart again. Just wait until the normal mode pops up. Excellent, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.